Welcome to the product HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should launch the app gallery. And after that, here in the search pool, let's enter Icon Changer. Now we should tap here to install this application and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap here to open this app. And here now just let's select one from these available just applications. For example, let's use the Contacts app. We can rename this app if you want by this way, but just I don't want to do that. And here, oh no, let's just go back here, tap to cancel, and now we can see here the library with all of the available icons on the applications. We can select one from these icons, or just to use the photo from our device gallery, or to take a picture in camera application right now. For example, I'll use the the Icon Changer app default icons. Let's use this one, then just tap to OK on the right upper corner. Let's just turn off this ads, tap to add here. Now we can see that our shortcuts created successfully. We can change the next icon by the same way. So let's just go to the home screen, and we can see now our contacts icon, the new contacts icon. So let's just see our regular contacts icon here. You can see the difference. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.